Howdy guys, what is poppin'? It is February 2019. Do you say February or February? It's a really hard word for me and I'm not sure which one you're supposed to say. Anyways, potato, right? Okay, so today we are talking about what you're gonna be expecting on my YouTube channel, all the other places. And the theme of this month is definitely going to be glitter, okay? So glitter has been out for a second on shopantitay.com. Patrons bought it in 10 minutes, okay? We launched it, a very soft launch, and they bought it out in 10 minutes. We are having another soft launch this week, the first week of February, if you're still watching this. And the patrons will get 24-hour access, and if they buy it out again, then you guys are gonna have to wait till the next week or two after that, and we will be doing a big launch of it, and it will be fully in stock, and it'll have a new label. This was our sample label, and yeah. So yeah, glitter, okay? So my live videos are gonna feature glitter. The YouTube videos will not, but the live videos will be featuring this stuff. We have 10 colors for you, so watch the videos so you can see them, our live videos. Okay, where you can find me this month and all the things that are going on this month. YouTube's, we got you every Monday, okay? I will still be here every Monday. We've got a couple more planning videos, and then we have a fun little series that we're popping in that's called Craft with Disney Princesses, and we might bring this series back a few times this year or next year or whenever, but it's really fun. It gives us a good excuse to get my kids and their friends together and pretend like we are Disney princesses and dress them up. So this month we are doing Wreck-It Ralph. So to support them, watch those videos and make sure you leave nice comments for them and let them know they did an awesome job. Okay, and every Tuesday, we will be live on YouTube and on Facebook, and I will still be announcing new bundles. Every single tier on Patreon gets a new bundle this month. Crazy, which is my toppest tier, is going to be getting some fun design with me videos, and we are working on promoting your guys' businesses and how to start the process of making your business branded, and you'll be getting some logo experience and branding experience. That'll be super fun for you guys. I think you guys have been asking for that too. So I'm trying to cater to what you guys have been wanting. Crafting with the Hubs, usually Facebook, Thursdays at 5 p.m. PST, but we're trying to figure out a time and a day that works for us. Our life is becoming crazy again, and Thursday nights have been iffy. So we might try to find another time that works. If not, I will try to add another live video in for the week. And I know you guys love Dustin and you want him there as much as you guys want him there. Sometimes he's not available to be there. So we'll try to figure that out and work it out. We really love doing them. And I know that the people who love those videos do love those videos. So we want to give that to you guys, but again, our lives are crazy sometimes. So I am going to be introducing glitter, obviously, and then there may be some new products starting to be shown in my live videos, so pay attention to those live videos. We might be debuting some things that are going to be coming out. We are working on launching paint that might be launched this month. Again, patrons will know before anyone else, and they will also have access to buy limited supplies before anyone else. So jump on the patron bandwagon and become a patron. You're not gonna regret it. Okay, if you have not followed us on Instagram, make sure you do that. My personal Instagram is auntie_tay. That's where you can follow my fam, my life, my rants, all the things that I want to talk about personally. I also show you guys some of my inside bullet journal stuff, but yeah, so that's that. And then Tay's Gizmos on Instagram is where we do like a lot of our product announcements and fun things. And Facebook is just Auntie Tay. So make sure you're following if you do want to know all the things. And that's the 3 places that you can really find me, except on YouTube, obviously, right here. Yeah, okay. We have some really fun announcements coming this month though, but I cannot announce them in this video because they're in lockdown right now. But they will be very fun and very exciting. So you will not want to miss it. Yeah, that's what's popping in February. I hope you guys enjoy this. And again, I will see you guys all month long in live videos. Bye guys. Mwah.